Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. This is the 9th week of online classes. Let us start with the great name of Allah Almighty. Grade 6 subject mathematics pages 43 till 52 we are going to cover in this video. Topic fractions and mixed numbers. Date 2nd June and here I am your teacher Saima Raza. Learning objectives of this week are fractions and mixed numbers, types of fractions, real life applications of fraction, use of a calculator, decimals, rational numbers, real number, and exercise 2D we are going to solve. What is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole number. You can see below that the part is on the top and the whole number is on the bottom. For example, there is a rectangle and we have divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded with the red color. So you can say 1 over 5 parts of a whole number. How can we read the fraction? Part which is 1 and it is also called the numerator, and 2 which is a whole and it is also called denominator. Numerator and denominators are going to be explained in the further slides. So there are 4 ways to read the fraction: 1 half, 1 of 2, 1 over 2, or you can say 1 divided by 2. Real life applications of the fraction. You can see in the slide that we can use fraction in our daily life. For example, we use fraction when we bake and cook our food. So there is also a recipe of banana bread that we can use over there, the fraction. There is also another example that there is a cake and we have divided this cake into 10 equal parts by the fraction. There is a question that if we have divided these 10 into 10 equal parts and 2 parts we are going to give to anyone, so what will be the fraction? The solution is 2 of 10, or you can say 2 over 10. Another example is there. It is example of pizza, that it is a pizza round shape and you are going to divide into 8 equal parts. So how can you divide this? It will be divided by the fraction. This is the solution, that we have divided this into 8 equal parts. Okay, now how to memorize the numerator and denominator. The top number is called the numerator and it is on the top of the grass. Nu and the numerator both start with the letter N, so it is numerator and it is on the top, so it is the numerator. Word is start from the N. It is like you can say strategy that you should memorize it. N is the numerator and it always come on the top. Imagine the line into the ground and the bottom number is called the denominator and it is down in the ground, and denominator and down start with the letter D. So D and denominator or down, these all 3 letters words, they whenever they come, so always remember that it is in the bottom, that is denominator. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction has a numerator that is less than the denominator. For example, 2 over 8, 3 over 5. Numerator is less than the denominator. There are some other examples like 2 over 7, 3 over 6, 6 over 7, 1 over 3, that their numerator is less than the denominator. What is improper fraction? An improper fraction has the numerator greater than the denominator. For example, 5 over 4 and 3 over 2. Numerator is greater than the denominator. There are also some other examples of the improper fraction like 8 over 5, 6 over 2, 7 over 3 and 9 over 1 are the examples, and numerator is greater than the denominator. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and the proper fraction. How? You can see the example 4 into 1 over 3. 4 is a whole number and 1 over 3 is a proper fraction. Now how to solve these mixed fraction into improper fraction? 4 plus 1 over 3. You can say 4 into 1 over 3. 4 3 is a 12, 12 by 3 and 1 over 3. Since the denominator are the same, so we can write it 3 at the denominator. It cannot be changed, and it is also the LCM as well. So 12 plus 1 is, it will become 13. 13 by 3 is a improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. How to change improper fraction into the mixed fraction? There is a question: convert 9 over 2 into a mixed fraction, mixed number. Solution is there. Mixed number is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. There is a rough work as well. 9 2 2 4 is 8 and the remainder is 1. So how we can write 4 plus 1 over 2? 4 plus 1, if we remove the plus sign, it will become 4 into 1 over 2. It is a mixed fraction. How to use a calculator to evaluate fractions and mixed number? There is example 3 over 4. In calculator, press the 3. In fraction sign, I have circle. It is in red color and it is A, B, C. It is called the fraction. Press that and 4 in equal sign. The answer will be 3 over 4. Another example of mixed fraction is there. That was the example of proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. So it is the mixed fraction. 3 into 1 over 2. We are going to press 3, fraction sign, and 1, again fraction sign, and 2, then equal. The answer will be 3u12. What is u? U is a unit. 3 unit 12. Another example 7 over 10 plus 11 over 15. If we calculate these number in calculator, the answer will be, first of all, we are going to solve in calculator. How? We are going to press 7, fraction sign 10 plus 11, fraction sign 15. The answer will be 1 into 13 over 30 answer. It is a mixed fraction. What is real numbers? Real numbers are made up of the rational and irrational numbers. What is rational and irrational numbers? Rational numbers are those which are having points or decimals like or positive or negative. What is irrational numbers? Are those numbers which are having like a radical sign or like a pi something. Pi will be going to discuss in the further slides as well. So you have to just memorize that the real numbers are combination or made up of two things. One is rational number, another is irrational numbers. Let's go and see what is rational and irrational numbers. Terminating decimals, non-terminating, recurring decimals, non-terminating, non-recurring. These three are there which are having the examples like 0.375. It can be anything, 0.1234 or 0.666 there, or you can take 0.333 which is going on, and there is a radical sign. If we calculate in the calculator, it will be 1.41414 something like that, or you can take pi is 20 over 22 over 7. The value is 3.1418 something like this. These three numbers are decimals, but they are, some of these two are having continuously, like 6 is there, the other is 141414. Now the first two both terminating decimals and the non-terminating recurring decimals, they both are called the rational numbers. And the last one is called the irrational numbers. And these both rational and irrational combines and they become the real number. Now you understand what is the real number. Real number are those which are made up of the rational and irrational numbers. And what is rational and irrational? It is explained. What is pi? Or you can say what is 22 over 7. If we divide these number in the calculator, the value will come 3.1428. And it is a fixed value. There are some questions about the pi in the book and exercise, so that's why I have explained in the slide. Book page number 52, exercise 2D is there. We are going to solve this exercise. Let's start from the question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. Part A is there, -1 over 2 plus in the bracket -3 over 4 is there. -1 over 2 minus plus become minus, so that's why 3 over 4. We are going to take LCM. What is LCM? We have done in the previous week, and it is the video is also present on the YouTube channel, so you can watch that and it will be easy for all of you students. We are going to take the LCM 2 or 4. The LCM will be 4. -2 minus 3 become -5 over 4. It is the improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator, and we are going to change into mixed fraction. The answer will be -1 into 1 over 4. Second part is there, B part. It is also mixed fraction. 3 into 1 over 8 plus -1 over 4 is there. We are going to change 8. We are going to multiply 8 with the 3 and 8 1. 8 3 is 24 plus 1 is it will become 25 over 8 minus 1 over 4. Taking LCM will be 8. 24 minus 2. 24 minus 5. It will become 23 over 8. Changing improper fraction into mixed fraction. So the answer will be 2 into 7 over 8. Third part is there. 8 into 1 over 5 minus 4 into 1 over 2. Multiply 5 with the 5 and 8. It will become 5 as a 25. 1 plus 8. It will become 26 over 5. And the second one is there. We are going to multiply 2 with the 4. 4 to the 8 plus 1. It will become 9 over 2. Taking LCM, the LCM will be 10. 26 into 2 minus 9 into 5. If we multiply these both numbers, it will become 52 because 26 into 2 it will become 52 and 9 for 5 is 45. 52 minus 45 it will become 17 over 10. And if we write in the mixed fraction, the answer will be 1 into 7 over 10. D part is there. Minus 3 into 1 over 6 plus then in the bracket minus 4 into 2 over 3. Multiply 6 with the 3 and 8 1 and multiply 3 with the 4 and 8 2. Then it becomes 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 become 19. Minus 19 over 6 plus minus become minus. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 become 14. Minus 14 over 3. Taking LCM will become 6, and we are going to write minus 19 into 1 and minus 14 into 2. 19 was a 19, 14 2 is a 28. If we minus become plus, if we add these both numbers, the answer will be minus 47 over 6. We can write our answer on the mixed fraction as well. Minus 7 into 5 over 6. Question number 3 is here. Evaluate each of the following. Part A is here. 15 over 8 into 4 over 3. Let me tell you one thing. This question can be solved in 2 methods. I have solved like from the table. 3 5 is 15 and 4 2 is 8. You can cancel the numbers as well. Like 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Like a denominator is going to be cancelled out with the numerator, and denominator of these left hand side will be cancelled with the right hand side numerator. So in the place of 15 and 8 you can write 5 over 2, and you can write your answer on the mixed fraction as well. It will become 2 into 1 over 2. B part is here 2 into 3 over 5 and into 15 over 26. The same process will be applied like 13 2 is a 26, 5 3 is a 15. In the place of 15 and 26 we are going to write 3 over 4, and it is improper fraction, and so we can write our answer on the mixed fraction as well, 1 into 1 over 2. C part is there. It is changed because the sign of multiplication has been changed into division. 15 over 4 divided 5 over 2. First we are going to change the sign. It is the into divide, we are going to change into multiplication. If we change this, so the denominator of the right hand side will go to the numerator and the numerator will go to the denominator. How? We can write that 15 over 4, it will be the same, no changes. Divide sign going to be changed into multiplication, and 2 over 5. Now we are going to the same process like a table. 5 3 is a 15, 2 2 is a 4. In the place of that we can write 3 over 2, and we can write our answer on the mixed fraction, 1 into 1 over 2. D part is here, 1 into 7 over 9 divided by 4 over 3. First we are going to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 was a 9 and 7 is going to be added. It will become 16 over 9 divided 4 over 3. It is the question. Now changing the divide sign into multiplication. 16 over 9, it will be the same, no any changes. Divide multiply sign, and denominator is going to be changed with the numerator, so it will become 3 by 4. Table is there. 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9. In the place of 16 and 9 we are going to write 4 over 3, and we can write our answer in mixed fraction as well. It will become 1 into 1 over 3. There is a note that exercise 2b, the remaining questions will be shared on the next class, Thursday, which will be week 9 part 1 inshallah. Homework is there for all the students. You have to do on your NEET notebook. Exercise 2D, question number 1 all part, question number 3 all parts, and keep practice all the questions. Worksheet is there, question number 2 and 4. The question is simply you have to check your answer question number 1 and 3 from calculator. So it is just a worksheet, not your NEET notebook. You have not to do your these in your NEET notebook. So only you have to do the NEET notebook question number 1 and 3 all parts. Best of luck, try your best, and take care. Allah Hafiz.